What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kizo. We back with another video. Alright, so today's video we're gonna be doing a dressing video. Cause look, y'all been messing with the dressing video. As y'all can see, we got that 10K right there. I think I got like 100 likes on that. So y'all keep liking my videos to get it out there. So today's video, we're gonna be showing y'all boys how to crop a hoodie. We got the little fisker right here. Make sure y'all cop that. If y'all want to crop y'all hoodies, cause I'm gonna throw that on in a minute. But we gonna be cutting the ribbons, the little ribbon jumps, the little bands. What y'all call it? Bands. I don't even want to call it ribbons. Bands. I'm gonna be cutting it on 3 of these hoodies, cause I did it on this one. I was supposed to do a video on this one, but I had did it cause I wanted to see how it looked. And it turned out good, as y'all can see, like right here. Y'all can see the little cut. And y'all see the sub count. So y'all boys give me the 500. 500 right now. Alright. So y'all boys stay tuned. I'ma throw on this hoodie. So let's get into it. Alright, so right now we about to put on the hoodie. I'm about to show y'all how it look like having the hoodie on. See, look like a regular t-shirt. It look like a little t-shirt. Just it don't got a little band, so it ain't tight. It's a little loose fit. You see? Got that drip on. Hey, but we about to get into like cutting these, and then I'm gonna throw them on, and then we gonna go outside. I'm gonna show y'all the footage. All right. Alright, you want to grab your fiscus. You want to put it right here. You don't want to cut that little band right here, as y'all can see. You want to cut like under it. Cut under the band. So, I'm about to start. And one thing, it's going to cut. It might take a little minute. You got like push in while you cutting it. See, look, y'all can see it's cutting right there. And you might want to grab some scissors, like just in case, like if this don't really work like that. So right now we about to try to keep a straight line right now. Oh yeah, some hoodies might have 2 layers, so you might have to like push down into it. Sometimes you want to grab some scissors. See, look, y'all can see my hoodie ain't gonna be messed up. It's just I'm gonna have to grab some scissors and cut the rest. You want to keep it going down. It's gonna cut regardless. You don't want to pull this. You want to make sure. Turn it on the back. Cut it a little bit. Got to check this out real quick. Alright, so let's cut it. Bro, this band's so tight on this hoodie. So this one hard. I ain't gonna lie, that one was easy. I might grab me some scissors. We'll be right back. Alright, we back. You can grab any scissors. You can grab hair scissors or anything. So if you want your line perfect, I'll make sure y'all like cut it. If you want it close. I don't really have to use that no more. I can just use these scissors, to be honest. might be speeding up this process right here, so y'all boys stay tuned. I might do that. I might not do this hoodie. I might do my YouTube hoodie, cause I don't wanna make the video too long.
Say goodnight, sneaking. Say goodnight, sneaking.
So right now we're gonna put on the hoodie and we're gonna walk outside and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks, the difference from the hoodie. Alright, let's get into it.
Say goodnight, sneaking.
Hit a nigga with no top of sticks. Walk a nigga down, we gon' leave you in that fucking ditch. Run off on the plug, now that nigga really mad as shit. Counting up the guap, yeah, I'm really tryna stack the shit. Pop up out the box, like I'm really fucking Roddy Rich. Bitch, I'm having waves, bitch, I'm really fucking popping shit. Spin up on your block, yeah, I'm really fucking dropping shit. I was feeling all alone, I was trying to smoke the pain away. Got me feeling all alone, up on these rainy days. Bitch, I'm in my zone, I'm just trying to stack up all this cake. Got them VVs on my neck, I just wanna see them cheese. I don't wanna get the neck, shawty says you on me. I can't trust no hoe, keep it on the low. Bitch, you finna fucking blow. If you talking out your neck, then we up the scope. Shout out to my brothers, yeah, we quit to up the pole. Bitch, I'm rapping on this beat with no penny pad. You already know I'm on the beat, I'm finna spaz. Got your bitch, she shaking ass, bitch, I'm going fast. Bitch, I'm in the scat pack, bitch, I do the dash.
Alright now, so I'm about to start on my YouTube hoodie. So I might cut this band. Alright, y'all boys stay tuned. Alright, so now we're gonna cut the YouTube hoodie now. all done. I low-key messed up the bottom of my hoodie a little bit, but it'll be straight, bro. It's right there by the little thing. I ain't tripping though. But now we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. So let's go.
Say goodnight, sneaking.
Make sure y'all boys, I hope y'all boys like this video, to be honest. If y'all want me to do more clothing videos, make sure y'all comment down below. But that'll wrap today's video. Make sure y'all comment, like, and don't forget, subscribe. Y'all make sure y'all do that. We out. Gang.
Trying to stack shit. I'm really fucking rocking bitch. Bitch, I'm having waves. Bitch, I'm really fucking popping shit. Spin up on your block. I'm really fucking dropping shit. I was feeling all alone. I was trying to smoke the pain away. Got me feeling all alone. Up on these rainy days. Bitch, I'm in my zone. I'm just trying to stack up all this cake. Got them VVs on my neck. I just